Today's the birthday, 758th birthday of Klaipeda.
Wow.
So there's a lot of events going on and people celebrating the birthday of my hometown. So we're heading there. Welcome to Klaipeda. So we have parked in the city downtown where there's a lot of people coming today.
Nice.
They're ready to enjoy the birthday. Nice t-shirt.
Thanks, Thomas. It's your gift, right?
Old castle of Klaipeda was located here, but the castle is gone. Only the hill is left. Time to work out. Climb the castle hill. Yay!
Wow, so beautiful.
Nice view.
Yeah, especially that it's sunny. Really nice, huh?
Ready to go down?
I'm not sure about this one.
But you did it already 4 years ago.
Yeah, but that was 4 years ago.
Now you're a more experienced hiker.
Why we are here? Went to the other side.
You need to get ready for Trolltunga.
Yeah,
The ruins of Klaipeda Castle.
just in a while. Trolltunga, Norway, I'm ready.
This little guy is waving for the incoming and departing ships. Klaipeda port.
Chilling here while waiting for our lunch.
We're gonna eat Uzbek food
Why not Lithuania?
because it's a Uzbek restaurant. They also have kind of Lithuanian food and drink. Gira, kvass.
Yeah, let's try. Just eat like this or just use the fork?
Then remove it
Maybe I can
one
just
by
eat
one.
like this. Oh. Good.
So we just finished eating in Uzbek kitchen and they actually don't accept cards and we don't have enough cash, so we only gave half of the price. And
It's amazing. Why it's so fast for them to trust people, right?
because
I mean,
the guy said we can just come back and pay later the difference,
but oh my god.
so it's nice that they trust people.
Yeah, but I mean it's unusual. What if like we can just run away and not going back, you know? I said, hey,
Good thing we will not do
will
that.
not do that.
We are good guys.
Oh my god. Only in Lithuania.
They're gonna spin the bridge.
Wow.
išliko vilkinio šaltis artumas, tavo vardas, su meile ištartas tavo veidas, šypsena žalia, gera Klaipėdoj gyvent.
Let's play horse.
Sekmadieninio dainavimo visi įvykiai, kad 3 balandžio sekmadienį vėl susirinksime, na vienokią arba kitokią formą.
So next up, to my boat. Let's go to my boat.
Show us your boat.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Here we can see the former town hall of Klaipeda. It used to be the main square for centuries, and the balcony you can see there, the famous balcony of Adolf Hitler. He went to visit Klaipeda during Nazi times. He was giving a speech from the balcony. All the Jews of Klaipeda fled the city before that. And now it's just a theater.
Time to pay the guy.
Pay up for the previous lunch.
Yeah, thank you so much for waiting. Good place, good food, and good owner. Thank
Yeah.
you. Uzbek kitchen.
Leave the review.
Yeah, Uzbek kitchen. It's near the terminal port.
Terminal.
Yep. Now, so that's it. I hope you like our tour in the old town Klaipeda,
We'll
Lithuania.
see more of it later.
You should definitely visit Klaipeda, Lithuania. It's a beautiful place, especially in the summer.
Especially in summer.
Yep. So, how do you say bye? Oh, I forgot. Ike.
Iki pasimatymo.
Ike pasimatymo. Thanks for watching. Bye.